Dear students, here we are given a cubic polynomial function defined on the set 0 to 3 to the set 1 to 29, and the options are about the function being 1 to 1, on to, and neither 1 to 1 nor on to, both, and like that. So we have to analyze this function for its behavior on the interval 0 to 3 only. Be very careful about that. Domain is mentioned here, so we need to discuss this function only on this interval 0 to 3. This is a cubic polynomial, and to understand its behavior, how it is behaving on the interval 0 to 3, best approach is to differentiate this polynomial and check for its monotonicity. So if we do that, this f dash x, that will be equal to 6x square minus 30x plus 36. If we take out 6 common, this is x square minus 5x plus 6. This can be factorized very easily as x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Now this is the derivative, and the sign of the derivative on different intervals of x gives us the monotonicity or its monotonic behavior of the function. So interval under investigation is 0 to 3 only. So let's draw the line, number line complete. This is 2 and this is 3. But we have to focus only on the interval here. 0 must be and 3 is here. 0 to 3, only this part we are focusing about. But as far as the sign of the derivative is concerned, beyond 3 derivative is going to be positive. Between 2 and 3 derivative is going to be negative f dash x, and for less than 2 it is again positive. So on the interval under investigation, we can clearly see between 0 and 3 function is having its derivative positive between 0 to 2 and negative between 2 to 3. That means function is behaving somewhat like that. Let's say this is 0 and this is 2 and this is 3. At 0 we can calculate the value of function, that is equal to 1. From 1 to 2 interval, the function is increasing and then it is decreasing. We don't know what is the value at 3, so it starts decreasing, but we don't know whether it goes below this 1 level or it remains above that. We will come to that. But one thing is for sure, that at 2 function is going to have its maximum value. And before that, we can very clearly see that on the given domain, the function is first increasing and then decreasing. So obviously it achieves several values twice on the same interval. That is, it is many to one function. It goes up, then comes down. That means same values are achieved for more than one point. Hence, it is not a one-to-one function. First thing, non-monotonicity on the given interval implies not one-to-one. So obviously option A is ruled out. Not one-to-one, that may be possibility. One-to-one, C is ruled out. Neither one-to-one nor onto, that is still open. What about its range? One-to-one behavior we have investigated, and codomain is given to be 1 to 29. If we get the range equal to the codomain, then we say the function is onto function. So let's get the range. Obviously the function on the interval 0 to 3 is going to achieve its maximum value at x is equal to 2. Let's get that. So we can say f max, maximum value of function on the given interval, that will be equal to f of 2. And let's calculate that. That would be 8 multiplied by 2, 16 minus 60 plus 72 plus 1, that is 29. 29 is the maximum possible value. And the minimum value of this may be at f of 0, and that is coming out to be equal to 1, or maybe f of 3, which we need to calculate. So f of 3, if we calculate that, 3 cube 27 multiplied by 2, 54 minus 9 multiplied by 15, 135 plus 108 plus 1, that is equal to 28. That's what you will get. So obviously minimum out of these two possibilities, 1 and 28, minimum is 1. So f minimum is equal to 1 and f maximum is equal to 29, and since it is a cubic polynomial which is a continuous function, it must be having all the values in between 1 and 29 also on the same interval 0 to 3. That means its range is 1 to 29. So range is 1 to 29, and that is the same as the given codomain. Range is equal to codomain, that means this is a onto function. Hence, we can now say that this is onto but not 1 to 1. That is option B is the correct choice. Let's confirm the answer. That is okay. Second option is the correct answer. Thank you.